Hey everyone, it's Khan. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 foods that can help you shed those extra pounds. Remember, there's no magic bullet for weight loss, but a healthy diet and lifestyle are key. And these foods, they're like the all-star team for your weight loss journey. We're going to break down why these foods are so awesome, how they can help you feel fuller for longer, and how they can give you that extra boost of energy to power through your workouts. So, if you're ready to discover the delicious side of weight loss, stick around, hit that like button, and let's get started. First up, we've got leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, lettuce, all those good things. Now, I know what you're thinking. Salads? Really? But trust me on this one, leafy greens are like the superheroes of the food world. They're super low in calories, so you can load up your plate without the guilt. Plus, they're packed with fiber. That means they keep you feeling full and satisfied, which is a total game changer when you're trying to cut back on calories. And legume, let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Leafy greens are loaded with essential nutrients that your body needs to thrive. So, ditch the processed snacks and make friends with your greens. Your body will thank you. Next up, we've got a delicious one, salmon. This fatty fish isn't just tasty, it's a nutritional powerhouse. We're talking high protein, which is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. But here's the real kicker. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been linked to a whole bunch of benefits, including reduced inflammation and, you guessed it, weight loss. Omega-3s can help boost your metabolism and even target that stubborn belly fat. So next time you're planning your meals, make sure to include some salmon on the menu. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. Now let's talk about cruciferous vegetables. This group includes broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. They might not be everyone's favorite, but they're seriously good for you. First off, cruciferous vegetables are super low in calories and high in fiber, just like our leafy green friends. That means they'll fill you up without weighing you down. But what really sets these veggies apart is their unique combination of nutrients. We're talking antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help protect against chronic diseases and even boost your weight loss efforts. Let's talk about chicken breast. This lean protein source is a staple in many healthy diets, and for good reason. Chicken breast is packed with protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, including muscle. And when you build muscle, you boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Plus, chicken breast is naturally low in fat and calories, making it a great option for those watching their weight. So whether you grill it, bake it, or saute it, chicken breast is a versatile and delicious way to fuel your body and support your weight loss goals. Last but not least, we've got beans and legumes. This food group includes lentils, black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, and more. They're incredibly versatile and affordable, making them a great addition to any diet. Beans and legumes are an excellent source of both protein and fiber. This powerful combination makes them incredibly filling, helping you stay satisfied longer and avoid those pesky cravings. Plus, they're packed with essential nutrients like iron, potassium, and folate. So, load up on beans and legumes for a healthy and delicious way to support your weight loss journey. So, there you have it, guys. These are my top 5 food recommendations to help you on your journey to a healthier you. Remember, it's all about making sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle. Don't forget, incorporating these foods into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise and a positive mindset, can make a world of difference. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.